I'm going to hazard a guess and say you've tried everything. You've cut sugar, added protein, and increased your steps. You're taking the supplements, doing the workout, and you've even added in green smoothies. But you still feel stuck. Your weight won't budge, your energy's on the floor, and your moods, they're all over the place. The doctors told you your bloods are fine, or worse still, you're too young to be menopausal. So now you've resorted to Dr. Google, which leaves you feeling even more confused. Go ahead and hit like if that sounds like you. And then stick around because in this video, I am going to share with you the missing piece, and it's much more common than you think. Before I share the missing piece, let's just have a quick review of what's going on. During our fertile years, in a healthy female body, we have balanced levels of estrogen and progesterone. This balance helps to keep us happy and healthy, sleeping well, and it provides stress resilience and is receptive to the message of insulin. When we move into perimenopause, progesterone drops first, and that's our calming anti-anxiety hormone. Alongside that, estrogen begins to fluctuate wildly until it declines permanently in menopause. All our hormones work together, so this decline in estrogen affects our ability to receive messages of insulin, and we end up on the blood sugar roller coaster. At the same time, we lose that stress resilience that estrogen provides, resulting in increased cortisol levels, and cortisol can make blood sugar issues worse. This stress state then impacts thyroid function, which controls metabolism, so you might find yourself then struggling with weight gain or weight loss resistance and fatigue. And to top it all off, with the loss of estrogen, we have a decline in muscle mass, and this is really important because muscle mass helps us to be more metabolically active. That is, the more muscle we have, the better blood sugar control we have. So hopefully by now you can see that at this time of life, we have to work with this new hormonal profile that we have, and that all starts with blood sugar balance. We can't keep doing what worked for us in our 20s and 30s and expect hormonal harmony now. And yet so much advice out there is still outdated, with messages like eat less and move more. And yes, this works in your 20s and 30s, but for women over 40, it's nuanced at best and damaging at worst because it stresses your body, something that your new hormonal profile does not need. So I want to reassure you, you haven't failed, your body hasn't failed you, you're just working with a new hormonal profile. And your symptoms are actually intelligent body responses, or messages if you like, letting you know that something is out of balance. What you need isn't more restriction, it's a reset that works with your hormones. And I know this because I've lived it. In my late 30s, I knew something was off. I was tired all the time, yet I couldn't sleep. My skin flared, my periods became irregular, and my anxiety returned with a vengeance. Yet I was doing all the healthy things. I was eating well and exercising. In fact, in my friendship group, I was known as the healthy one. But I felt like I was running on empty. The doctors told me my bloods were perfect. I felt so far from perfect, I barely felt functional. And eventually I found myself sitting across from a homeopath, exhausted and frustrated. That moment changed everything for me. I left my corporate job and retrained in all things hormonal health. I completely rebuilt my approach to my own health and to my hormonal needs, and now I help other women do the same. And here's what I wish someone had told me earlier. What I was experiencing was perimenopause and blood sugar issues, but sitting underneath that was adrenal burnout. And whilst yes, with my clients, I always start with blood sugar balance, I do that to improve energy and clarity of thought so people are in a better position to address stress levels. So you can think of your hormones like a triangle. At the base is your adrenal health or your stress levels. In the middle, we have metabolic health, which is all about blood sugar balance, but also gut health, energy, and fat storage. And at the very top of the triangle is our sex hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Most women start at the top trying to fix estrogen and progesterone without realizing that if the base is shaky, everything else falls apart. That is why your nervous system and blood sugar regulation comes first. It is the foundation. And by the time we hit perimenopause, most women are running on empty. We've been doing all the things, giving all of ourselves away to everyone else's needs, work, friends, family, and putting our own needs at the bottom of the pile. The result? We're chronically stressed. The brain interprets that stress as a threat to survival, whether it's skipping meals, pushing through when exhausted, over-exercising, or never slowing down. The brain gets the message, it's not safe. And when the brain gets the message, it's not safe, it tries to protect you. And it does this by slowing down metabolic processes and hormone production. Not because your body's broken, but because it's trying to save you. So everything you do is sending a signal. Your food, your sleep, your exercise, even your thoughts. Your body reads these and questions, am I safe? Am I nourished? or am I under threat? And this is the part that most women are missing. Instead of slowing down and thinking of daily habits as hormonal signals, they're pushing through the busyness and exhaustion. They're trying to fix their symptoms with stricter routines, when the real path forward is learning to support the body's internal safety signals. When you understand this, you can choose habits that send the message, I am safe, like eating hormonally balanced meals every 3 to 4 hours that keeps your blood sugar stable and prevents glucose and cortisol spikes. Prioritizing protein, fiber, and fats to help your body feel nourished and safe. Walking for 10 minutes after meals to regulate blood sugar and calm the nervous system. Using apple cider vinegar to support gut health, which is directly related to mental health. Avoiding caffeine on an empty stomach that spikes cortisol and ruins your energy for the entire day. Swapping sugary breakfast for protein-rich fuel that supports your mood and energy throughout the day. These might seem like really simple tips, but they're incredibly effective because they send the right hormone and safety signals to the brain. They support your new hormonal profile, and they're exactly what I build on inside my DIY course, Metabolic Reset. This course is designed for women like you who are ready to be empowered and take control of their hormonal health in order to feel happy, healthy, and more like themselves again. The Metabolic Reset is the exact method I use with my one-to-one clients, and it's designed to give you the tools to balance your blood sugar levels and improve your menopausal experience. Inside the Metabolic Reset, I'll guide you through a step-by-step method to balance your blood sugar levels, rebuild metabolic flexibility, calm the nervous system, and support your hormones with real nourishment. This isn't a quick fix or a complex protocol, but a lifestyle shift that I've built specifically for women in midlife, and it's based on exactly what your body needs now. If you're thinking, I don't have time, this reset is 100% self-paced. It's a simple structure, no complexity, no fancy ingredients, and certainly no meditating for hours on end. It's designed to fit into real life. Even if your schedule is full, your hormones are haywire, or you feel like you've already tried everything. So if this video or this playlist series has helped you to feel seen and heard, this is the obvious next step for you. The Metabolic Reset will give you the education, the tools, and the method to stop guessing and start working with your new hormonal profile. No more start again on Monday, no more scrolling for answers, no more working against your biology, just a simple structure that's easy for you to follow. You can find the link to the Metabolic Reset in the description below, and I hope to see you on the inside.